Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mrs. Vasanti Revatkar, Department of Botany, Shri Gnanesh Mahavidyalay, Navargaon, District Chandrapur. In this lecture, I am elaborating the topic family Malvaceae. The content covered will be systematic position of the family, distribution of the family, important genera, diagnostic features of the plants, habitat and habit, vegetative characters, reproductive characters, and economic importance. Systematic position. According to well-known Bentham and Hooker system of classification, it is the group of family which bears the seed, and that's why it is phanerogam. Division Dicotyledons, subdivision Polypetalae, series Thalamiflorae, order Marvalis, and family Malvaceae. Distribution of the plants in this family. The members of this family are cosmopolitan in their distribution and are commonly distributed in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. Several species of this family are reported in India. There are about 82 genera and 1500 species in this family. Of them, some important genera are Gossypium herbaceum, commonly called as cotton, Hibiscus rosa sinensis, that is jaswand or shoe flower, Hibiscus esculentus, it is lady's finger or bindi, Abichulon indicum, Malva species, Althea rosea, Malvastrum, and Urena lobata. Diagnostic characters. Plants are mainly herbaceous or softly woody and fibrous. Calyx always valvate. Epicalyx are present. Presence of epicalyx is the most important and diagnostic characteristic feature of this family. Anthers monothecous. In staminal tube, they are epipetalous dorsifixed. Ovary superior, 5 to many locular. Placentation is exile. Fruit loculicidal capsule. Vegetative characters. Habitat. The plants are mesophytic herbs, example Sida. Some are shrubs, example hibiscus, or some are trees like bombax. Vegetative character. The first one vegetative character is root. Roots are taproot and branched. Stem is erect, herbaceous or woody, branched, cylindrical, solid, usually covered with hairs and mucilage sacs. The third vegetative character is the leaf. They are simple, alternate, round or palmately divided. Stipulate, hairs and mucilage sacs are found on the leaves. Reproductive character. It starts from the flower. Flowers are pedicellate, bracteolate, complete, actinomorphic, bisexual, that is hermaphrodite, pentamerous, hypogynous, and are brightly colored. As you know better, epicalyx are present, and here mostly bracteoles are present as epicalyx. They are 2 to 8 just below the calyx. Epicalyx is completely absent in Sida abichulon. They are foliaceous in Gossypium species. Calyx. The sepals are 5, valvate in estivation, and they are united. Corolla. Petals are 5, free, big and showy, twisted in estivation. The petals are united with staminal tube. Androecium. The word androecium is consist of numerous stamens which are monoadelphous. The staminal tube is formed by the union of filaments of stamens. They are epipetalous, means attached to the petals. Anthers are reniform, that is kidney shaped, monothecous and dorsifixed. Dehiscence by transverse slit. Gynoecium. It is made up of 5 carpels. They are syncarpous, ovary superior, multilocular, many ovules in each locule, and placentation is exile. Style long passes through the staminal tube. Stigma 5 or many. Fruit. loculicidal capsule or schizocarp. Then floral formula, according to the characters, floral formula, it is actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 5, they are gamosepalous, corolla 5, they are free, androecium, they are infinite and they are in staminal tube. Then apicalyx, the stamens are apicalyx, that is united with the calyx. Gynoecium 5 to infinite carpels and they are syncarpous. Here it is all diagrammatic representation or diagrams are given in this chart. This is flowering twig. It is entire flower showing all the four whorls, corolla, then staminal tube, stamens, stigma. This is a calyx showing apicalyx. This is androecium which is present, many stamens are present in the staminal tube. This is single anther which is reniform. This is filament and it is monothecous. It is LSF flower showing pedicel, apicalyx, then sepals, petals, staminal tube, then ovary, ovule, style, stigma. This is single pollen grains and it is LS of gynoecium showing pedicel, thalamus, ovule, then ovary. Inside the ovary there are many ovules showing exile placentation. This is TS of ovary. It is floral diagram and this is floral formula of this family. Economic importance of the family. The family Malvaceae is of great economic value as it contains ornamental plants, fiber yielding plants, vegetable plants and medicinal plants. We will study one by one. These are the economically important plants which occur in our country. The first plant is Hibiscus rosa sinensis. It is called as shoe flower. It yields red dye used for shoe polish. It is widely cultivated in tropical and subtropical region but is not known in the wild, so that its native in distribution is uncertain. The origin in some part of the tropical Asia is likely. It is widely grown as an ornamental plant in the tropics and subtropics. This is Hibiscus esculentus, commonly called in English it is called as lady's finger and in vernacular language it is called as bhindi. The fruits are eaten as vegetable. This is Gossypium indicum, fiber yielding plant. The seed coat is fibrous and it is also called as white gold. Abichulon asiaticum, cultivated for stem fibers. Abichulon is a large genus of flowering plant in the family Malvaceae. It is distributed throughout the tropics and subtropics of the America, Africa, Asia and Australia. General common name includes Indian mallow and velvet leaf. Ornamental varieties may be known as room maple, parallel maple or flowering maple. The genus name is an 18th century. Althea rosea, red flowered ornamental plant with terminal racemes of showy white to pink or purple flowers. The English cottage garden hollyhock. Malvastrum species. It is an ornamental plant. Malvastrum coromandelianum is known as three-loaf false mallow. It is an annual or perennial herb or shrub native to North and South America. It has been introduced to many other areas of the world, including Australia, Africa, Southern and Eastern Asia. This is Sida plant and the species which I have taken here is Sida acuta. Sida is a genus of flowering plant in the family Malvaceae. They are distributed in tropical and subtropical region of worldwide, especially in India. Plants of this genus may be known as fan petal. This is roseate Hibiscus subdarifa, commonly called as ambadi in local language. It is the species of hibiscus, probably native of West Africa to Sudan, used for production of bast fiber and as an infusion, in which it may be known as karkad. In regional language, it is also called as ambadi, as I told earlier. It is Malva plant, Malva species. This genus is having about 25 to 30 species. It is herbaceous, annual, biennial, or perennial plant in this family. The several close related genera of this family bear common English name mallow. The genus is widespread throughout the temperate, subtropical, and tropical regions of Africa, Asia, and Europe. This is Urena lobata, commonly known as Caesarweed or Congo jute. It is a tender perennial, variable, erect, ascendant shrub to subshrub, measuring up to 0.5 meters to 2.5 meter tall. The stems are covered with minute star-like hairs and often tingled purple. Considered a weed, it is widely distributed in the tropical, including Brazil and Southeast Asia. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video. Thank you.